friends, welcome to the video lecture series of HTML and JavaScript. This is Mandakini Ganeshwade, working as an assistant professor in a CSE department of Marathwada Institute of Technology. Today we are talking about the marquee properties, that is images are scrolling on web page. So let us have one example on this. Let us start with the coding of normal HTML programming. So this is the first tag we are adding for every HTML program. So one by one we are going to add those. So we require the tag for normally web pages. So this is a normal text. So the text is going to display on the title bar. This is a title tag, and then we are using, suppose, the marquee direction. So before this we are using a body, so this is a using a image as a background. So the properties are adding like body background equal to that path we are going to add here. The path will be, that is, I am going to add the path. For example, I am going to add one of the image here. I will add the path for this. So this is the path I am going to add on the web page. So this is a path for the background. So and now we are going to add headings. The headings may be anything, that depends on the user. That is welcome to marquee, that is scrolling. You can give any text here. So the basic tag which required for the scrolling of images, that is a marquee. Here the property name is behavior. Behavior equal to that property I am going to add as slide. So we are moving that image into our required direction. So we are adding a direction property or attribute for this, as I am giving as a just left. Then I am adding a property to that. So here the properties are adding. After this, to which image we are going to add the property, that image path or image we have to insert. For this we have the tag img, then source. Source equal to, I will give again the path for this. So that is written in a double quote, and once again I will add the path for this. Suppose I am going to add this one. So I will take the property and path of that. This is a full path for the image or any which we are going to add. So here this is a path of that image, and for this we can apply the properties, more properties like width. We can specify width as, that is written in a double quote, width as well as height equal to I will give like this. So in this way we are adding the properties. Then we give the name, that is alt, and which is the name. For this we can choose according to the requirement. I will give just a flying bat and close that tag here. Height here. So here we have specified width 125, height 90, and alternate property we are added, that is a name of the image. Then we can close the tag, and whatever the tags we are added here will close one by one. So we are closing body, then head will close here, then we have to close HTML tag. Then let's tie the output for this. So let's have the output. So this is the image we have added as a scrolling. So the scrolling direction we were given as a left, so it is going to from right to left. So similar way we can add one more images if we require, and as well as I will take this heading in a center place, so it will look better. So just I will modify that heading, will take in a center. So according to the requirement of your web page, we can add bold, just make a refresh, so the text is going centrally. Then we add one more images, so the same syntax I am going to add. So now I will add the path for that images which we want to add. Now I will add another one more image having this path. Now for this also we can have the properties like width, height. So here we will add as so let's have changes into the web page. So these are the two images scrolling together. So I will just make a modification, that is I will going to add the break. So it is a adding below that one. So one more break we require here. So these are the same direction going. So we'll make different directions. We have to close individually for each marquee. So this is a first direction. So here I am going to add the closing of that direction. So this is the closing of this, and now I can give the direction for next one as a different. So for this I will add another direction as a right. Here I will add right directions, so it makes changes for this second image. Hello friends, welcome back. Continue with the marquee scrolling. We are adding another property to the second image, that is a marquee. Suppose I am writing a different direction. Different direction to the second image, so that is a suppose I am going to add direction as previously we were given the left direction. I will give now down. So let us see the changes for this second image. So this is the changes we normally see for applying or after applying the direction to the second image. Similarly, we can add one more image. For this we can add the all directions, that is left, right, top, down. So I will add another image. We can have the same code. So I make just this same syntax to the different image. I will add another more image here. So here I am going to add the another image, like suppose I add this one. So I will take the path of that image into the so this is the third image I am going to add, and here the direction may be right. So let's see the changes for this third image. So we have initially the left direction, then we have the down, then the third direction is the right. So in this way we can scroll different images in a web page. So these are the methods, scrolling methods in a marquee fashion. Suppose I will add the another property, that is a scrolling behavior. We can add the speed of that scroll. Suppose I want to increase or decrease the size of this first image. So I will add another property, that is here after behavior slide direction left, I am going to add another property, that is a scroll amount This is a property where we can add another type. Scroll amount equal to, I will give the speed. Suppose I give the speed like 30, so it can move in our way. So just I will make the refresh, so it goes fast. Initially there was the normal speed, and after adding the scroll amount speed, it will change, so it goes a very high speed. So this is one more property in a scrolling. And suppose we want to add back and forth property, so the image will move front and back again. So that case we can add the property that is a scroll behavior. The property is like alternate property we can add. So here suppose I will add the properties in the second image. So suppose I add this to the property like here, behavior slide. In place of slide I will change the property that is alternate. So this is alternate property we can add. Let's have some changes to this coding. Just it is a little bit changes for the image. So this is property we are going to add marquee behavior alternate. Let's if any more reflection is happening to this code. So it is moving just back. So this is about the today's code, that is marquee properties as scrolling images in any direction, that is left to right or right to left. And we can also have the speed of that image, that image will scroll according to the speed, and that is by adding scroll amount property to the image. This is about the marquee properties to the images.